What's up, everybody on YouTube, man? It's your boy Will Talk. Back here in the sneaker dungeon. Y'all see what's going on. Just want to let y'all know that I promised y'all I was going to bring you the Foamposite collection. So I'm finna give it to you. I'm going to go ahead and bring it to you. So without further ado, Foamposite, Atlanta sneakers. All right, man, let's run it. Up first, we got Olympic foam. Super hard right here. Got the white, got the icy bottoms. Got the gold tips on the laces. The little 1 cent in the gold. This shoe go crazy, man. Had to have it. One. Number two, metallic gold Foamposites. Pick these up at Lost and Found ATL. If you're in Atlanta and you haven't been to Lost and Found, kind of by Pinups in Decatur, make sure you go check it out, man. Go see my boy Chris, man. Tell him I sent you. Next up, Spider-Man foam. I had these for quite a while. Just a hard shoe. I had to get it. I rocked these a few times. Spider-Man Foamposites. Yes, sir. Next up, we got the navy with the gum bottom. I ain't pulled these out yet, but had to go ahead and get an all navy with a gum bottom. Plus, I got a good ticket on them. Caught them from StockX. These are some abalone foams. Now, these I actually went to the store day of release. I rocked these quite a few times. Had to get them. To me, like, the pearlescent is crazy on them. So they definitely had to go in the collection. The next one we have is actually a women's shoe. This is a size 12. Of course, men's 10.5, which is big as they get. I wouldn't have went up a half size if I could, but hey, man, big as it gets. So these are like obsidian foam, something like that. And these are super fire. Had to get those. Next up, not technically a Foamposite, but it is a foam. Had to get the Galaxies, Zoom Rookies, Velcro on the patch. Got the little back, removed before flight. Y'all know about the Galaxies, man. Y'all know about them. Next up, we got the Yeezy Foamposite. Had to go ahead and get them as well, glow in the dark bottom. Next up over here, I had to get these floral foams. Now, they ended up coming out in the men's, but at first, the stores had only got women, so I had to go ahead and grab me a 12 in the women's on this one as well. Rocked these a few times. Very slept-on shoe. I like this one a lot. I know y'all waiting on the Safari Dunks, but I got the Safari Air Force Ones already, and also the Safari Foamposites. So had to have these in the collection. Safari pennies. This right here, Foamposite with a swoosh pack. Yeah, I see the 3M hitting. That's why I got my flash on. Velcro swoosh. Put them upside down like them Travis Scotts. Comes with different color swooshes. You can swap them out as well. And last but certainly not least, we got the Weathermans. Yes, sir. So y'all already see you got your little meteorologist joint going on here. But I told y'all, man, we was going to bring that Foamposite collection. We got a few of them. You know what I mean? We ain't got all of them, but we got a few of them. Atlanta Sneakers Foamposites. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe. Drop a like. Drop a comment for me, man. I appreciate y'all, excuse me, giving y'all comments to me recently. Thank y'all so much for that, man. Everybody be safe. Be safe, excuse me. Stay in the house. You know how that go, man. Till the next time.